Hey guys, so I wanted to show how I made my almond oil shea butter, and this is a really quick and easy technique. All you need is one ingredient, which is almond oil. So what I did, I went ahead and I put the almond oil in the blender, and I just want to let you know this step is not necessary. I just did not want to remove it. I wanted to show my mistake so that the next person doesn't go ahead and do the same exact thing that I did. So I actually went ahead and did the double boiler method, and if you don't know what it is, just go ahead and look it up on YouTube. This is the easiest way in my opinion. You wouldn't need the blender like I did, and also it'll make the process much faster. After I took the shea butter off this stove, I did go ahead and put the mixture back in the blender only because the consistency wasn't what I wanted it to be. I wanted it to be really smooth, and I still seen chunks in there. So I just went ahead and blended it again for a couple more seconds just so I can get the consistency that I wanted. After you get the consistency you want, you will put it back into your container of choice and then stick it in the fridge until it hardens. I want to say it only took 30 minutes to an hour to get hard. And that is all. It's super quick, super easy. And then I'll also show how I applied it on my skin so you all can see the difference that it makes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.